You know, I have been noticing. You have quite a full head of hair on your shoulders.
Why, thank you.
I have been entertaining the notion of getting some hair myself. Yes, I think that hair is definitely for me.
What are you talking about? You're crazy. You're a robot. You can't grow hair.
Oh, I can get hair. They have all sorts of medical miracles these days. I've seen it on television.
Are you talking about those silly late-night hair commercials?
Yes, it all looks very exciting. And I have decided that I, too, would like to begin leading an active lifestyle.
An active lifestyle?
An active lifestyle. Riding in convertibles, lots of showering, swimming, all of the things associated with leading an active lifestyle.
Why can't you do all those things and lead an active lifestyle anyway?
What do you take me for? A fool? I know how it is. Those commercials make it very clear that hair is a prerequisite for leading an active lifestyle. And I've decided to punch my ticket and hop on board the fun train to Party Town.
So you believe that you need hair to have a swim?
Listen, advances in medical science have resulted in the world's first and only permanent solution to hair loss. I can see all the hot chicks beating down my door right now. I'm going to need to buy a comb, a hair dryer, a brush, maybe a curling iron.
Pete, has it ever dawned on you that professional swimmers actually shave their heads?
Well, I must say, that is indeed an interesting revelation.
Indeed. Perhaps you should focus your attention on something more worthwhile. Something like global warming, perhaps.
Well, it certainly does help my public image to have a more visible role in things that affect our panoptic environment.
Indeed.
I think you are onto something. In the spirit of quickness, it is probably best for me to take the path of least resistance here so I can get moving on this right away.
Bravo, Mr. Pete.
Thank you. Therefore, I have decided that I am simply going to blame all of global warming on you. Tisk, tisk. Now look what you have done. Planet killer,